Turn it up.
I'm back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream.
What's good, everybody? It's Bree Hall, aka Hara, and this is part 3 of my hair routine series on how I deep condition. Make sure to check out parts 1 and 2 of this series before or after you watch this video, because every step that I do is extremely crucial to how I get these results. So today I'll be using the Curlsmith Hydra Cream Soothing Mask, and this mask is cruelty-free, vegan, certified organic, and certified in ethical buying. This mask has won a ton of awards, y'all. It's also extremely hydrating. On the bottle it says it's an intensely hydrating deep conditioner suitable for all hair types. It promotes natural hair growth by supporting hair's elasticity, reducing the appearance of breakage and shedding. Instructions recommend that after a regular wash routine, apply it all over your hair. For a quick treatment, leave in for 15 minutes, and for a deep treatment, which we'll be doing today, 30 minutes. A lot of brands say apply from the root to tip, but for me personally, I like to start at my ends and then work up to my roots, because as you know, with curly hair, especially tightly curly hair, the ends need a lot of moisture and love. And then I use the praying hands method. I like this method because it stretches my hair out, but it also separates the strands a lot and much quicker than other methods, so I can just feel my hair and feel which parts need a little bit more product and which parts feel really good. So I use a little more product. Once I can't see the product as much, I know it's absorbed pretty well, and then I begin to twist my hair into just a regular twist from the roots to the ends. And then once my hair is twisted up, that is when I'll go ahead and clip it behind my head in like a little donut shape. Since my hair is in a highly moisturized state, I make sure to twist pretty close to the ends just so it doesn't unravel on me. Then I repeat this process, rinsing out the conditioner. Also, something I want to address is I've been getting comments recently still that my hair is quote unquote not a type 4. So I'm bringing this reference picture of Juliana Palencia, who's a fellow YouTuber here on the platform. Juliana is a great example of what a 3C/3B hair type can look like. Now I want to show you guys an image from a month ago when I hadn't deep conditioned my hair or taken the best care of my hair for about a month. This video will be dropping soon, but now look at my hair from another video after deep conditioning and using moisture-rich products. It is so important that we stop spreading the narrative that type 4 hair cannot thrive, look heavily moisturized, or have any definition in order to be type 4. This narrative can be not only confusing, but discouraging to naturals on their hair journey when they're trying to figure out their own hair. It's really about maintenance and method no matter what your hair type is. Now back to the video.
Original bad man, you don't know.
It's fake kills.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me. And I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them around come. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh, yeah, dark, she, yeah. No, they do me, she, yeah. You wanna come, move, fair. Now you, I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Baby, I can smoke it out. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know
When it comes to self-care, I'm a two birds, one stone kind of person, so I like to do a face mask while I deep condition, and I set my timer to 5 minutes, and I do 5 minutes with my hair in the clips, and then that's what my hair looks like. Look how juicy and moisturized it looks. And then this is my boyfriend coming to see how I like the dinner he's making. And yes, y'all, like, this is really our relationship. Food and fun and art. Oh, my babies. So anyway, I sit under there with my hair down for about 5 minutes, and this is what it looks like so far. Then I like to put my hair up in a high pineapple to really get my ends very well, and I noticed such big results since I started using a steamer, especially since low porosity hair, it's really hard to open the cuticles of the hair shaft, so this heat definitely helps. And then after about 15 minutes, I go rinse this out. Peace out, gang gang, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I love y'all, and I'll see you for the next day of Vlogmas.